I think that this phone is beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy this video on the new 12 Pro Max that I just got. It's not going to be a really techy video about the specs, all that, because I'm really not into it. Just wanted to show you the comparison between what I just had versus what I just got. Enjoy. Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So yes, the corny beginning of the opening of my new iPhone 12 Pro Max Pro, whatever you want to call it. Yes, I think that this phone is beautiful. I am loving it. Now I am a phone person, so don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna say I'm not a phone person. I love my phone. I love texting my friends. I love calling my friends and family, especially during this COVID. However, I'm not the type of person that has to have the new one. I get a new phone maybe every 3 years. I usually do. So I had the BlackBerry, which was one of my most favorite awesome phones, and then who knows what happened to them. I think they are still out, but they're just different. So I went ahead and I think I went to the iPhone. So I believe I had the 4, then I got the 6, then I got the 8 Plus, which that's what I have right now. There is my iPhone 8 Plus. Actually, let me take the cover off, which I love this cover. You just Amazon or whatever, just a clear. Oh, it's dirty. Oh, sorry. But anyway, I had this one, the iPhone, and I thought it was, yeah, I think it's the rose gold, whatever. It looks cream. But anyway, oh yeah, it's dirty. Oh Lordy, hold on, wait a minute. I can't be representing like that. So anyway, this was the 8 Plus. And I don't feel like I went too big because here is the 12. So pretty comparable in size. The 12, and I'm doing this video because there are some people that still have the 8s and the 7s, so it'll help you. But anyway, so this is how it looks compared to the 8 Plus. And the 12 is a little bit more squared off, but rounded, so it almost looks like they went backwards a little bit, went back to the older models, but it's still very sleek looking, still very nice looking. And that was the one thing that I was like, oh, do I want to kind of go backwards and get the square model again? I really did like the design of the 8 Plus, but I have to say this looks nice. This is absolutely a gorgeous phone. Don't like the price range, but you always can work a deal out. I know Verizon got buy one get one free, so work that deal out. Sprint also has deals for their customers that have been there and loyal. This phone is so nice. I'm waiting on my phone cover, That's another story. I ordered it a while ago, but United States Postal Service is not on my side right now. Anyway, so let's turn this bad boy on. I'm assuming that's how you do it. Now, it's going to be odd for me because I still use the 8, so it had still the press button on the screen. Now I'm going to this one that just turns on, but I just like the sleekness of it. One con that I'm not liking is I gotta buy another brick because this has a lot of storage as well. It's just very powerful. The battery is very powerful, and yeah, you want a brick that's going to charge it fast. So I have the old brick for the older phone, so I gotta order me one from Amazon, and I'll leave the link down below where you can get that brick, and I'll show you a picture of it, how it looks. But I got it from a real techie guy on YouTube here that really was helpful when I was trying to learn about the phone. Another con that I don't like is, I mean, you see fingerprints all over this, and I just literally unpackaged it. Of course, I'm not going to be touching the screen, but yeah, you got to touch the screen eventually. So yeah, I got to get used to this because I'm used to pressing a button here. I also have to charge this up. No, I don't. It's pretty charged. So okay, so I'm going to pick English, United States. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Oh, okay. So here it is. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. Set up new iPhone. Yes. Continue. I did with this hair on. Oh no. So yeah. So what I'm most excited about this iPhone is the camera. Oh my goodness. I have been hoping for a great camera with iPhone forever. And that was one of the reasons why I was like, I should just go ahead and get the X or the 10 or whatever you want to call it. Oh, I should go ahead and get the 11. But I just wouldn't bite. I just wouldn't bite. And then I would have some of my friends come over and get their makeup done. And I'm like, man, they would have the iPhone 11. And I'm like, the camera is so good. Me and my husband have this thing because he has a Note, a Samsung Note, I guess it's called, right? Samsung Note. And his camera was killing the iPhone. It was killing it. I was like, man, it's so clear, so crisp. I was like, they have got to do better. I mean, these phones are just way too expensive for them not to do better with this camera. Come on, what is going on? And being a makeup artist, I noticed it. I was just like, it's got to be better. So I'm going to include some pictures just to see what do you guys think about the quality. I'm going to include actually some old pictures from the old iPhone and then new pictures from the new one. Now I'm going to take them with this unnatural lighting, but I just want to see. And I'll include some pictures from old unnatural lighting so you can kind of see the difference. But I already know it's going to be better because I have seen the reviews. I have seen it and I'm like, yes, yes. Finally, y'all are giving us our money's worth. I mean, yeah, still a little bit too pricey, but I feel like you should have been giving us our money's worth. And the techies at Apple, y'all knew what y'all was doing with that camera. You knew you could have did a better camera, but you just didn't. Now you're doing it. So thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah, it's 18 minutes remaining for this phone to set up. So yeah, I did not know it was going to take a minute. All you do is just leave your phone, your old phone next to your new phone, and it's just pulling everything. Data, your apps, your contacts, your calendar. I mean, it's pulling everything over to the new phone. So I'm liking that because I wasn't really backing my phone up the way I probably should have been. I don't even know how to back it up. I used to plug it into my laptop to back it up and go to iTunes, but I had heard iTunes don't even, that's how out of tune I am, okay? I heard iTunes doesn't even exist anymore. My best friend told me like last week that the iTunes don't even exist no more. So Brandy was like, yeah, it doesn't even exist. Use Apple Music. And I'm like, oh, for real? Yeah. I'm out of tune. I'm out of touch. Yeah, I'm in my 40s, so maybe that's an excuse I'm going to use, okay? Don't judge, okay?